Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert symbol in Excel. Let's get started. There are multiple ways to insert symbols in Excel, and today we'll focus on the easiest and fastest method. Begin by selecting the cell where you want the symbol. Navigate to the Insert tab. Find the Symbols section and select Symbols. You'll see a pop-up window with hundreds of symbols to choose from. If you feel lost, don't worry. The drop-down menu on the right helps you navigate through symbol groups. If you can't find the symbol you need, try the drop-down menu on the left, labeled Font. Here, choose different fonts. You can find ticks, crosses, and more. Let's insert a tick mark in this cell. Select the symbol, click Insert, and there it is. Close the window, and you can seamlessly insert a cross symbol in the cell below using the same method. Fantastic! The symbols are in place, and now you can further enhance your table by using various colors. Click on the symbol. Go to the Home tab. Navigate to the font group and choose your desired color. Click, and the symbol transforms instantly. To insert more symbols, repeat the same steps. Populate your table with any of symbols effortlessly. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.